Okay, we have user 1 and user 2, and these users are collaborating, and they're doing the kind of back and forth that you would do in a very classic Power OLAP budgeting application. Essentially, if I'm going to do any type of budgeting app, what I need to do is bring in my actuals, don't I, right? To do that now, in Olation, we have, this is the back end that ties it all together. It's the glue. We have our various cubes. I'm going to jump over here to formulas and turn on the formulas that bring in the actuals. So I have an actuals cube, and this is saying go get the amount and populate the version called actual and pull the data in from the actuals cube. So when I turn this on and come back to Microsoft Excel and press F9, you're going to see the actuals light up now across my whole entire application. Pretty handy, right? So now I go about my budgeting process. I'm going to switch this over to MacBook Air. That's our little product that we're working with. And this guy puts in a really big fat number and says, this is it. And this guy down here in Hong Kong is working with the same product. And so he does his budget as well. So he puts in 40,000 and essentially puts in a note, done, right? So what's happening at the same time is now this manager is monitoring this whole thing. And he looks through this and he says, are you kidding, right? And passes it back. And it shows up here, and the guy realizes he fat-fingered it, and he puts in the number that he thinks is the real one and gives his message, final answer. Now, the beauty of all of this is I'm doing all of this on my desktop all at one time, but we could have people around the world accessing this data through the cloud, doing real-time collaboration in Excel.